XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, June 21st. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction. The SEC's secret weapon against XRP. Alright, let's get started. The SEC v. Ripple lawsuit has been going on since December last year, and both the plaintiffs and defendants have been trying to convince the court of their side of the story. Every ruling that has been passed since has had a lot of impact on not just the parties involved, but the fate of the case too. Until recently, the court had a host of motions pending on its table. However, the judge ultimately decided to grant the regulatory agency additional time for discovery, despite Ripple's opposition. With this ruling, the case is undoubtedly set to be prolonged further, and now, the discovery phase will conclude itself only by the 16th of October. The aforementioned court ruling has undoubtedly stalled the momentum that the defendants had until a few weeks ago. Commenting on similar lines, popular attorney Jeremy Hogan said, "Time is not on Ripple's side, and every time the SEC says they want this over quickly, it is lying. The SEC, wants to win, and every week that goes by helps it." Unsurprisingly, the SEC wants to dig further and now has the permission to make additional deponents testify. The regulatory agency is seemingly not in any rush to finish this case. After all, the outcome of this case would serve as a precedent for future lawsuits. Hogan added, "The more time goes by, the better for the SEC's settlement position." Here, it's worth noting, however, that contrary to what is popular perception, Hogan believes that the pace of the case has been pretty impressive. Believe it or not, this case, even with the 60-day delay, is moving fast for a case this size. The odds of a settlement at this stage cannot be wiped off completely. However, it should be noted that a settlement would only happen after the close of the fact discovery, the deadline for which has already been extended. According to some like Stephen W. Huber, perhaps, a settlement might not be a bad offer after all. Additionally, with the change of administration in the US, people from the XRP community do have hopes that the new chairman of the SEC, Gary Gensler, would personally get involved in the case. According to Hogan, that is not going to happen. Obviously, no settlement happened in May, and I truly believe that new chairman Gensler is not going to get involved. What's more, the motions for the summary judgment must be filed within 30 days of the close of the discovery. The judge pushing the discovery back 60 days does change the timeframes. The attorney, however, believes that 60 days is just the blink of an eye to the rock. Looking at the current scenario, he went on to comment, "But then when you add in responses and responses to responses, and then maybe Sir replies, probably not, but you never know. I don't see the case being decided at summary judgment until early 2022, maybe January." XRP Technical Analysis. At the time of this writing, XRP's price is down -1 cent, -1.23%, from the hour prior. It's been a feast for bears operating on an hourly timeframe, as XRP has now gone down 9 of the past 10 hours. As for the trend on the hourly timeframe, we see the clearest trend on the 100-hour timeframe. The moving averages on the hourly timeframe suggest a choppiness in price, as the 20, 50, 100 and 200 are all in a mixed alignment, meaning the trend across timeframes is inconsistent, indicating a potential opportunity for range-bound traders. The choppiness in the recent daily price action of Ripple continues. To start today, it came in at a price of $0.7744 US, up 1.85%, $0.0141 since yesterday. As for how volume fared, yesterday's volume was up 72.85% from the previous day, Saturday, and up 30.93% from Sunday of the week before. Out of the 7 instruments in the top cryptos asset class, Ripple ended up ranking 3rd for the day in terms of price change relative to yesterday. Trend traders will want to observe that the strongest trend appears on the 14-day horizon. Over that time period, price has been moving down. Price action traders in particular will want to note that the 90-day period appears to show price forming a base. This could indicate that a support-resistance level is developing. For additional context, note that price has gone down 8 out of the past 14 days. How XRP is trading. Ripple's XRP rose by 2.07% on Saturday. Partially reversing a 4.46% loss from Saturday, Ripple's XRP ended the week down by 12.32% to $0.77410. A bullish start to the day saw Ripple's XRP rise to a mid-morning high $0.76513 before hitting reverse. Falling short of the major resistance levels, Ripple's XRP slid to a midday intraday low $0.69725. The extended sell-off saw Ripple's XRP slide through the first major support level at $0.7426 and the second major support level at $0.7247. Steering clear of the third major support level at $0.6755, Ripple's XRP rallied to a late intraday high $0.78398. Ripple's XRP will need to avoid the $0.7518 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.8063 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break back through to 80 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of another extended rally, Ripple's XRP could test resistance at 85 cents. The second major resistance level sits at $0.8385. A fall through the $0.7518 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.7196 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.6650. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of $0.8573 led to the formation of a near-term bearish trend from 14th April swing high $1.96598. Falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.7919. However, Ripple's XRP eased back to end the day at sub-78 cents levels. At the time of writing, Ripple's XRP was down by 0.46% to $0.77051. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP rise to an early morning high $0.77731 before falling to a low $0.77051. Ripple's XRP left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Let's see what next for XRP. The next trading session as analyst prediction that its trading price will eventually stabilize. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to All Investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.